Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create random effects using Shape Builder, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw circle 400 by 400 dimensions using ellipse. Select stroke and remove fill. Copy and paste here. Resize inner circle to 200 by 200 dimension. Align and right-click group them. Select object, click on Radial, repeat. Change properties to count equals 6 and gap equals 1.5. Select object. Right-click and flatten them. Select all and go to Shape Builder, press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, create shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select object, right-click, split vector. Select object and go to Fill. Remove stroke and select each shape, apply color from the swatches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.